Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be going ahead and showing you a Shopify store that I started testing, and it actually wasn't really doing that good until I added this one app that was basically able to double my revenue. Now, these claims might seem a little bit bold. How can one app double your revenue? But it actually is real. Hey, what's going on, guys? Really quickly before the video begins, I just want to make sure you're not watching a clickbait video because there's a lot of clickbaiters on YouTube. But we're at 5K in sales today. Go ahead and show you the charts right here. Do a refresh check. But that's besides the point. The reason I want to prove is, like, if you go to the apps and check out the app that is featured in this video, this app has made me $6,440.82. This app is $15 a month, and this app has a 14-day free trial. So if you don't like it, you can go ahead and uninstall it. But $15 a month is able to make me $6,000 in extra revenue. Now that I've proven it, go ahead and refresh the screen as well. Yep, that's about it. There we go, $6,440 in revenue. But yeah, continue on the video because I'll show you exactly what this app is, what it does, and I'll show more proof later on. I'm gonna go ahead and prove it to you right now before I even tell you what the app is. Obviously, stay tuned if you want to know what app it is. But as you can see right here, I started testing this product July 31st. I got pretty good sales, $191. Go ahead and check my ads manager right now. Let's go to July 31st. As you can see, I spent around $100. I got back literally $191. So that was 1.9 ROAS. I was profitable, but literally every single day after that, I spent around the same $100. I got one sale. This day was pretty good, $251, that was pretty good, but literally dropped right back down to $125. Literally the night of August 4th, I decided to add this one app that literally doubled my revenue ever since. So you can see, boom, 400, 900, 1,500 just for today. Today's not even over yet, so we're at 1.5K in sales. Let's go to our ads manager and go to August 7th. As you can see, we spent around $629 for 1.5K in sales. That is literally almost a 2.5 to 3 ROAS, and this product has a break-even ROAS of 1.5. Yeah, one app changed it all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the app. The app is actually called Prime Bundles. Now, full disclosure, I'm actually the owner of Prime Bundles. If you don't know what Prime Bundles is, go ahead and go to the link below and check it out. You get a 14-day free trial with my link down below. But Prime Bundle literally just adds a bundle to your store. The customers can buy 2, 3, 4, etc. And customers get a percentage off when they go ahead and buy 2, 3, 4 or more. Now, obviously, this is really good for the customer because they might have already only wanted to buy 1, but since this offer is presented to them, they might buy 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now, I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you exactly how this changed my store. Remember in the beginning, I said that this app doubled my revenue. I actually wasn't lying. So going to orders right now, you can see my orders right now, the tags right here, Prime Bundles, Prime Bundles, Prime Bundles, Prime Bundles. Literally 80 to 90% of my orders has been powered by Prime Bundles. As you can see right here, people are buying 2 items, 3 items, sometimes even 4 items, 4 items again. 80 to 90% of my orders are from Prime Bundles. Now, let's go back to August, 2nd or July 31st. Most of the people buying from July 21st without, me installing Prime Bundles. Everyone was just buying one item. We had one person that bought 2 items, but even going here and scrolling down, you can see one item. Until I installed Prime Bundles, this is the first day I installed Prime Bundles. As you can see, as soon as I installed Prime Bundles, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 orders in a row that bought at least 2 items or more. As you can see right here, all 2 items, one person bought 4, but this literally doubled my revenue. And to prove it even more, if you go to analytics right now and check, I have 3.5K in total sales for the store. And if you go to Prime Bundles, I have made $1,627 extra with this bundle app. So literally has made half of my revenue since I have around 3.5K in sales. Half of 3.5K is basically almost $1,600 in revenue. So this product has literally doubled my sales. As you can see, I have no other app besides the Prime Bundles app. But as you can see, geolocation, email, and just Prime Bundles. Prime Bundles has literally changed the game for the store, and I'm sure it'll change the game for your store as well. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you how exactly you can install Prime Bundles, customize it, edit it, and make it look really good for your store. This video is sponsored by Prime Bundles, which basically means it's sponsored by me because I am the owner of Prime Bundles. And the reason why I even made this app in the first place, because I saw a lack in the market where people were only selling one of their items, and as soon as I added bundles to my stores, I was able to go ahead and sell 2, 3, 4, make my AOV a lot higher than it should be. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how exactly you can install Prime Bundles, make it look good for your website, and just change the settings to make sure you double your revenue, just like I did for this store right here. So if you are someone that's struggling to make Shopify dropshipping work and you're not getting that many sales, or if you're somebody that has a store already that has been generating a lot of revenue, you can increase that revenue by literally doing a one app install and just adding bundles to your store. Now, one of my student stores that was actually making around 10K revenue a day, he was able to add even more revenue by literally installing the bundles app. But yeah, if you're interested in that video, there's probably a link down below. My student doing 10K revenue a day and increasing it to almost 17K a day just by adding a bundle app. But anyways, let's go ahead and show you how exactly Prime Bundles works. All right, this is basically the Prime Bundles app store. If you want to go ahead and go to this page and download this app, you can go to the link down below and actually download this app. You get a 14-day free trial. This is how the app would look on your store right here. Obviously, it's customizable, so it could be purple, it could be blue, it could be green. You can change every single word in this app. You can change single, dual, trio to whatever you want. You can do 1x, 2x, 3x, etc. But we're actually gonna go ahead and go into the UI and show you exactly how this app works. So as you can see right here, I have two bundles for this store. I have a dog toy, no variant, and also a dog toy variant. If you go to the store right here, you can see catalog, dog toy, no variant. This is how the app would look like on the store like this. Customers can buy single, dual, trio. You can also go ahead and start editing this. So if I go to edit and check right here, I can see a preview here how it looks like during the desktop, mobile as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can customize this to your own liking. There's actually a lot of options here. Like you want to go ahead and show just add to cart if you want to, or just show the buy now button, or show both. And you can actually go ahead and change whatever you want. So you can go ahead and add to bag if you want to change to that. Shop now. You can change the text for that as well. Going to the bundles, if you want to go ahead and just do 1x, 2x, 3x, or that works as well. Or you could do 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 pack. And if you want to go ahead and give more savings on to your customers, you can do buy 2 and save 20%. You can change discount code to 20%, buy 3 and save 25%. Very customizable. You can really do whatever you want, but this is also a very easy app to use. As soon as you install it, you kind of don't really have to do much. You could leave it the standard settings if you like. The only thing you might want to do is go to design and change the colors. We already have a bunch of preset themes for you guys: red, green, yellow, blue, purple is one of my favorites, pink, black, etc. Or you can do your own custom thing. So you click custom and just start choosing different colors for custom. Obviously it looks a little wonky right now because I'm just choosing random colors, but for us, we're gonna go ahead and just choose blue because our website is actually blue. So go ahead and choose blue, click save, and once this is saved, it's actually gonna go ahead and automatically push to your website. So go back to our website right now. It might take a couple of minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and refresh and let's see if it works or not. Boom, so it did work. So you can see now it's called 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 pack, and now it's buy 2, save 20%, or buy 3 and save 25%. Now let's go ahead and go to this dog toy right here. As you can see, this one has different variants, means it has different colors. So you can see right here, it could be green, it could be brown, it could be tan. And the cool thing is, every time you change the color, it also changes the image so the customer knows, what kind of color they're getting. So green, brown, and also tan. But you can see if you press dual and you go ahead and buy 2 of these, the customer can go ahead and go brown, it'll show brown. The second one, they might want something like green, so you press green and it'll show green. Go ahead and add to cart. As you can see right here, boom, it added both the green and brown, exactly what they wanted. And actually, I went ahead and put the discount already, so it's $53.99 instead of, it would have been like $60 or something like that. So I already added the discount for them, which is great, and it's exactly how the bundle app works. It literally entices the customer to buy more than one. And as you can see from the results before, a lot of people bought 2, 3, 4. As soon as I added this app, it literally doubled my revenue. My AOV literally went from $30 all the way up to $60, and some days even $70 because people were buying 3 or 4. So yeah, this is Prime Bundles. Very useful, very easy, and very easy to add to your store, super customizable, and it'll literally increase your revenue. It's a 14-day free trial, so if it doesn't work for you, completely free. So go ahead and go to the link down below, go download Prime Bundles. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it super useful. I hope you guys go ahead and add this bundle app to your store so you can increase your revenue and show me some good results with it. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm uploading this video tomorrow morning, but as you can see right here, I just wanted to show you guys how the revenue is right now. So yesterday I ended at 3.8K revenue. It's currently 8 p.m. right now, but it's already at 3.9K revenue for the day. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and hit around the 4 to 5K revenue range for this product. But I want to show you the orders page right now. Boom, you can see all of our orders, well, not all of them, but a majority of them are literally Prime bundles. As you can see right here, Prime bundle, Prime bundle. Someone bought 8 items because of Prime bundles. Someone bought 6, someone bought 4. Before I added Prime bundles, no one really added more than 1 item to their shopping cart, and actually checked out with it now. This obviously gave me a lot of margin to go ahead and scale this product. But just checking the app itself, going to the app itself, it literally created an extra $6,000 in extra revenue for me. Checking analytics again, I'll show you. This product has only made $14,000 in revenue. This has made an extra $6,000 for me. That means almost half of my revenue is from Prime bundles. Just wanted to go ahead and show a little more proof about Prime bundles and how it can literally help you in your store get more sales. And just help you out. So if you're interested, go ahead and go to the link down below. Download Prime bundles, 14-day free trial, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.